good paint because if you paint over top of this,
Yeah.
it's going to come up.
Yeah.
Then you'd be like, my goodness. Yeah, I understand. So he just wanted to make sure we were talking together
Yeah.
on the same page, you know. I know sometimes the language may be different.
I got all the pieces we taken off.
Uh-huh.
So I show the guy
Uh-huh.
how we do it.
Okay.
Got the piece.
Put a new
Put a new
piece.
piece.
Okay. Good.
There's the fender here.
I see the fenders over there, yeah.
You see those?
I see.
Yeah, you got the piece and put on them.
Yep, I see the picture, yeah. Okay. So I was explaining to your son to not forget that these are going to be the same color as the truck, the piece over here.
Yeah.
But the piece up here, gloss black, the grill gloss black,
Yeah.
and these are the same color as the truck.
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure we're all on the same page.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I'm going to leave now. I have nothing else to do. Okay. So let me know, Nicholas. Send me a picture whenever you're ready. You think you're ready?
I'll call you.
Okay, you call me with some picture.
All right.
Then we can make it happen.
All right.
Okay? All right. You have a good day, my friend.
Thank you.
No more vacation for you, man. No more vacation. No go. Stay work. No, you take care of yourself for real. Okay. All right. I need taxi to go back to the border. All right. Bye-bye. Okay.
The panels.
Everything, hey bro, almost everything looks good. I don't really see too many things. Only thing he got to do is he got to wet sand that bumper. For the most part, you know, it's a done deal. It looks like it to me. Well, he got to put these, you know, put the rest of the trim up on there. He said he'll be done tomorrow. It looks like it'll be done tomorrow. So if you want to make that plan to come out here, I'm gonna look a little bit more, but it looks good to me, bro. All right, let's see. This right here has Nichols already. They had painted it. It just needs to be wet sanded. See, wet sanded really good. All right, let me check the paint and everything up on this vehicle. All right, so you painted this whole vehicle, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right, let me check it out. Has it been wet sanded yet? Let me check it out.
It's right there.
I'm gonna hit it with the light so I can check it. Okay, it's wet sanded. It got a good shine to it. So I'm gonna check the rest of it. Hold on. Okay, bro. All right, so I let him know that this right here is supposed to be gray or whatever. He said give him till Monday or whatever. Then you can start making your trip. Your plan or whatever. I'll come check on it one more time. But yeah, just go ahead and make your plan or whatever.
Send your pictures for those.
Huh?
Send your pictures like this.
Yeah, I am. I'm like this right here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, there's see Nicholas. Yeah. So yeah, everything looked good, man. All right.
Here comes day one of the putback. It's been a long time waiting. Gotta put this bumper back together. Ordered new rails just to open the package to find out I had the wrong one for this side. So gotta get a new one of those. These are new. So this will work. But that far one, seeing how it used to be a work truck, unacceptable. So go ahead and get the front structures back together. Get my little red caliper, put a little bit of rim on here. You can see a little bit of that. Then we'll get to the inside of the truck after that. But, you know, put these pieces in. We have all that stuff. Yeah, interior turned out real nice, real nice. Had a long time to think about what I wanted to do. when I came up with this vision. I think it's a good vision. What y'all think? Definitely have to keep something up in here so I don't get it all dirty. But for the most part, I think it's all good. Back seat. Yeah, once I get this front assembled, yeah, it's gonna give it a whole different look to it. Yeah. I got the truck back out to paint a few days ago. And now look at that, that's kind of crooked. About right there. But see, so I tagged it like that. Fun day Sunday. We ain't got no 4-wheel drive, so we should be able to get up out of this. Walk out here with my dad. As you see by the logo on the back of his shirt. You know who in the house. Money's Car Stereo. I ain't gonna be able to make it to the beach today. That's all I got to say. Got a seagull. You think it's gonna fit? All right. Mirror need to come in. Okay. Okay, fold the mirror in. All right. Okay, I'm gonna hug close to this wall. How are we looking over there? That's all I can give you. No, over here. Is it clear? Is it clearing over there? Because it might get in tighter right here. Like, watch, what? What about the top? I think I'm gonna stop right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna lock it right there. You got it? Got the picture? You got the picture? Too wide, can't fit through the tree. I tried. Did you back up so you can see how big the tree is? Yeah, back up there. All right, here we go. Tree number 2.
Real tree this time.
She says it's a real tree, so we're gonna see if we can fit this time. This is the tree that you've seen in magazines. They said world's famous. People come out from all over the world to see this. So I'm bringing it to you live and direct. And he said it was, how old did she say it was?
344 years old.
Okay. Or 3,000. I think she said more like 3,000.
Still growing. 3,044 years old.
Tuck the mirrors in. You don't get on the other side, babe? Once we get through?
Want me to get out and take you coming
Yeah,
through?
let's hop on that side and let's see if we can.
Here we go.
You can guide me in.
Bullshit.
Make sure we make it. Ain't no bullshit. This is National Geographic History Time, Victoria. Goddamn me. Photograph woman. Thank you. Love you. Don't mind her, y'all. That's my wife. You ready? How we looking? Are we gonna make it? All right. Oh, this is close. Ooh. Iron skirt up in here, y'all. This is close. Still pictures. Let me get out and get this. Getting ready to say goodbye to Tampa. My man put him underneath a tree so we can finish loading up. Ah, yeah, that'll work. Double check the straps. Yeah, that part. We got them strapped in. We're gonna get on the freeway, get under some of that AC, and keep it pushing. The hell up out of here. Let's lock it in.
Yeah, man, it was on the ground. You have to be on the road already.
Yeah, you'd have to be out there, because the sun don't play when it come up. It ain't nowhere to hide from it at that point.